How to switch account in TikTok on PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can switch account in TikTok on PC. For this, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to tiktok.com. Now, if you are logged into one account and now you want to switch into another account, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, out of these options, you want to click on the one that says log out. So go ahead and click on this. Now here as well, you want to click on the log out option to confirm. Now you will be logged out of your first account. Now in order to log into your another account, you want to click on the login option again. Now you have all of these options to be logged into your account. You can use QR, you can use phone, email or username. You can use your Facebook, Google or Apple account. So select whichever you prefer. If you have selected phone, email or username, you will have to enter either your phone number or username or email address, then enter your password. After that, click on the login option. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your second account in this way. And this is how you can switch account in TikTok on PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.